In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a Figma file. This is one of those simple but essential skills that can save you a lot of time, especially when you want to create a backup or test changes without affecting your original design. Start by heading over to your Figma dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your files are stored, including drafts, team projects, and recent designs. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you're looking for. Once you've located the file you want to duplicate, hover over it with your cursor, then right-click directly on the file's thumbnail or name. If you're using a trackpad, you can right-click by tapping with 2 fingers or using the appropriate shortcut for your device. A context menu will appear with several options. This menu lets you manage your file in different ways, like sharing it, renaming it, or moving it to another project. For this task, look for the option labeled Duplicate and click on it. As soon as you select Duplicate, Figma will instantly create a copy of your file. You'll see the new version appear in your dashboard, usually with a label like Copy or Duplicate added to the file name. This new version is a complete clone of the original, including all pages, frames, components, and layout structure. This is especially useful when you want to experiment with new ideas, try out design variations, or prepare different versions for clients without risking your main design file. It also works well as a quick backup before making major changes. After duplicating your file, it's a good idea to rename it so you can easily tell the difference between versions. To do this, right-click on the duplicated file, select Rename, and give it a clear descriptive name. For example, you might name it something like Homepage Redesign version 2 or Backup before edits. Keeping your files organized becomes more important as your projects grow, and clear naming helps avoid confusion later. Another helpful tip is to move your duplicated file into a specific folder or project if you're working in a team environment. This keeps everything structured and makes collaboration smoother. It's also worth knowing that duplicating a file does not affect the original in any way. You can open, edit, or even delete the duplicate without impacting your main design file. That freedom is what makes this feature so valuable in day-to-day workflows. If you ever need to create multiple versions of a design, for example, different layouts, color variations, or client options, duplicating is usually faster and cleaner than starting from scratch each time. And that's all there is to it. By right-clicking your file and selecting Duplicate, you can instantly create a full copy and continue working without any risk to your original design.